Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hakani kata yau kinong sosnong jong kanong ba silong. Ilayo biang ya kayo ya dia tien ke basisian cisnam ke baju perlong man lau snam menta lakat khandai sien. Ya ka balatep kum ke International Shillong Trade Fair. Ke baju perlong da ke Industries and Trade Fair Association of Assam rengkar ke jingkersan lang da ke Sarkar Meghalaya bat katnat National Small Industries Corporation Limited jong ke Sarkar Bteng. Bat ya kani kayo mentau snam ru la perlong Madan Ïewrynghep laj umkra Shillong. Ya kani ke International Shillong Trade Fair mentau snam la pelong nadu ka khandai trek mentau benai Lber ya ka balat muru ban pengkot no haka arpo artereng Henry kinong penyai pat menta kilarai ban penjalan susu ya kini kayo salai sngi kata ka ban kot no haka arpo santrek menta hiu benai Lber mentau snam haka ni kayo haka bala juan de kimar kimata de kinong khai na kalengkari India ban nabari ru kumjo lasaki ya kajingwan ra ya kimar ki babonjan kum kisuki na kabanta ki kamera songkai ki banabari kiriam ki baj bat ki wei de ki tiar jong ki kentai ki nap kop thia ki bana ki wei pat kiri ki tiar kali kitab mo kop na Kashmir ki juti bat ki sandal ki mar babonjan ki balapan mi na kane hi ki jela bat ki wei pat ki jela jong kani ka than chai lamngi bat ki wei kontop ru ya ki onyx marble na kari Pakistan hauni usnem ki tiar ki balawara na kari Netherland ki dei ki bala khampan paw ba kani kayo yaki balawan ra yaki mar ki mata daga company Max Posh ki wei de kinong khayi ki balawan ni sementa hakani ka International Shillong Trade Fair ka bakat khandai ha Shillong ki kintop yaki ban nakari Thailand Bangladesh Myanmar Singapore Malaysia ban nakari Afghanistan ban kam kring susu ikinong songsnong bakinwan chakini kayo menta usnam kandan ru ka jingkhalai no sep yaki tiket ki baki pai ba ki thien ban rong hakani kayo hakaba hakasni ka bakhaddo na pedang kitu ki balali rong hakani kayo ki badan bok ki nyora eru ya kapisa ka ba arlak tingka kum ka kusnam jong uta ni kata kanong job banyo jingtep ka ba company halor ki mar ki balade hakani kayo ki pai ba ki laru ban phone chuwa hau new number pra saw pra nreu san iwe khandai ar hakaba kila ban kren yo secretary jongka Industries and Trade Fair Association of Assam Urajiv Das.
This is the 19th edition of the International Shillong Trade Fair. Shillong Trade Fair is the signature festival of Meghalaya and Shillong, and you will be very happy to know that it is the most popular trade fair in the entire Northeast India. As per the statistics has been done, the research has been done in recent times by a particular newspaper from Assam. This fair found to be the most popular fair in the Northeast India. And we have been, throughout the year, we have been getting emails and calls from the different companies and the person when this fair is going to start in Shillong. So the feedback is very good, and as you know, this time we have a lot of people are around here. We have participants from across the globe. We have for the first time, Netherlands has made a debut. We have participants from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Thailand, product from Pakistan, Malaysia, Singapore, all these countries. And we have also indigenous products from Meghalaya and other part of Northeast India under the umbrella of NSIC, Ministry of India. Then we have also participants from different parts of the India. We have also standing on an international food court which has offered food from different parts of the country. Trade fair as a whole has been earned a very good name, and you know we always have a draw of lucky entry on entry tickets. This time, for the first time in the history of India perhaps, you have to buy a ticket in 20 rupees, 25 rupees, and on an entry ticket the first prize is going to get a 2 lakh cash prize. 2 lakh cash prize as an entry ticket for the first time we are announcing it, and for that we have been getting a lot of people are inquiring and coming. It will be done on the last day of the fair on 25th March. We will be doing the lucky draw of honor. It will be done by the Honorable St. Laimukra Dorbar and the Laimukra St. Sports Club and the other dignitaries from the Laimukra area. We have been very grateful to the government of Meghalaya, Laimukra Dorban Slum Kilo, Laimukra Sports Social Club, people of Laimukra, and as a whole the entire Shillong for making this fair a grand success. Without them this fair would not have been what it is today.